That's nice. It's different. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 amazing free VST plugins that you need to have in your production setup in your beats so you can get them sounding fire. Let me show you what I mean. So the first VST that we've got that's free, sounds amazing, comes with a lot of different sounds, is Spitfire Audio LABS. I use this all over my beats, especially the soft piano. It sounds amazing. I'll let you hear what the soft piano sounds like, and I'll just run through the different sounds in there as well so you can hear exactly what it does. How nice does that sound? Let's run through some of the sounds that other sounds it comes with. Nice little strings there, like you've got all these different sounds: pianos, soft pianos, synths, electric guitar, strings, cello. I'm not going to go through all the different sounds right now because that's going to be up to you to do once you've downloaded it. You can go through, but I'll just give you a little taster. That's nice. It's different. You get the gist. So that's just the strings. Let's hear the electric guitar. What have you got in this section? Oh, my bad. So if you click on it will give you, so if you click on the left side with the different instruments, whatever's in black will be there for you to be able to select on the right side. I've just learned that today, me and you at the same time. How cool is that? So yeah, look at all the different sounds that it comes with. Let's try this as a piano. I like that. And let's go back to, so we take all those off. Let's try the electric guitar. I use this a lot in my beats as well. Guys, amazing. So the next VST is from DSK. It's a saxophone, lovely sounding saxophone. I'm going to put a bit of reverb on there, and just to spice it up a bit. Just some slight technical issues, little hiccups. It's okay. We're not judging anyone. So saxophone. Let's hear that. Let's hear it with a beat. Alright, cool. Let's hear that with a bit of reverb. Let's try that. I like that. I'm keeping that. So moving on to the next one, which is the vinyl guitar from Echo Soundworks, is it? Yeah, Echo Soundworks. Nice little guitar. This is, again, another one that's all over my beats. Let's hear it. how good does that sound? Vinyl guitar. I don't know how these are free. And then moving on, we've got the Lo-Fi from Quiet Music. Pads. That's a bit weird. Nice little sound there. Peaceful Images, that one's called. And Magic Ocean. Nice. If you're into lo-fi, making lo-fi beats, then I'd definitely say grab this one. This is nice. I like this. It's a nice sound. It's a nice little VST. It doesn't come with many sounds, but just to get you started, it's cool. I think there's an option for you to upgrade sounds and stuff like that. So yeah, worth looking into. And one of my favorites is this Afro Keyz hair, this Afro Keyz plugin. Absolutely amazing. Let's hear it with a beat. This comes with a few other sounds as well. I'll just quickly run through them. Doesn't come with many sounds, but option again for this one to be upgraded and get some expansion packs. So to start off with, really cool. So let's just see what this can do. That's quite nice. That's a kalimba. And the other sounds that you got in here, the kalimba, you got the lo-fi keys. Nice. Some pads. So. And then R&B synth. Nice selection of sounds there in the Afroplug, Afro Keyz synth there for you. And bonus, I'm gonna give you a bonus plugin, free VST plugin, and that is Ample Bass. Ample Bass P2 Lite from Ample Guitar. Go check it out. There's a link. There's links in the description for you to download all of these plugins that I mentioned today. There is 5 free amazing VST plugins for you to just go crazy on in your next beats. The next video, I'm going to show you how to create 808 glides in your beats. See you in the next video.